Don't wash away your color. Our Color Fresh conditioner is infused with Kumquat Extract to bring shine and vitality to natural and color-treated hair, and sunflower seed extract to protect hair color against UV color fading. Restore and Nourish. Our hydrating conditioner adds shine and vitality without weighing hair down. Keep your hair color looking like you just left the salon. Gentle and effective. dpHUE Color Fresh conditioner gently nourishes, leaving hair feeling soft, shiny and healthy without stripping color. No parabens, sulfates, phthalate, gluten, silicone. Healthy hair everyday. dpHUE's color-safe conditioners can be used weekly or as often as needed. Animal-friendly, vegan, and made in the USA. Meet your new favorite conditioner. Whether you're blonde, brunette or uniquely bold, we're confident you just found your go-to conditioner for color-treated hair. Don't wash away your color. Love your color? Keep it looking its best and reduce color fade with Color Fresh. Color Fresh shampoo gently cleanses impurities, leaving hair soft, shiny and healthy, while Color Fresh conditioner restores and nourishes, without weighing hair down. Color safe and formulated for all hair colors and hair types. Fresh ingredients. Color Fresh shampoo and conditioner contain Kumquat Extract to bring shine and vitality to natural and color-treated hair, as well as sunflower seed extract to reduce color fade and protect from UV damage. Our Leaping Bunny certified Color Fresh oil therapy is a weightless, clear hair oil that won't tint or dull your color. Style without fading color. Color Fresh styling products are lightweight, clear, and use water-soluble ingredients to avoid color shifting and product buildup. They also provide heat and UV protection to prevent color fading. Top reviews from the United States. Love this conditioner. A little goes a long way and the scent is really nice, not too strong. My hair felt silkier and healthier after the first time I used it. In fact, I got compliments on my hair from strangers. I would highly recommend this conditioner, and love that it will make my highlights last longer too.